Hi everyone, welcome to The Grace Life. So in this video today, we're going to be celebrating my Congrats Milestone collab, and that's hosted by myself, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's also being hosted by Glam Elegant Living, Lady Allie, and a whole slew of you came together to join in the celebration, and I am so touched and so honored. But I'm not just celebrating myself, my 1,000 subscriber count, I am also celebrating you and your milestones. So I want to hear all about that, but in the meantime, let's get started with the celebration. So now I'm going to start out by decorating this table for this beautiful occasion of celebrating you and me. So I'm sure you guys have some wonderful milestones to celebrate. Remember that we don't just celebrate the big ones, we celebrate all the little ones in between, because memories is what it's all about. So you know what I just realized? You really do have to put yourself together. I mean, and be somewhat presentable before you go before the camera. But you know, some days you just want to roll out of bed and stay like that. You know, today I can say how grateful I am to have you in my life, those who are there and those who are, even those who are not. I just feel so blessed and so favored. And I know that my channel is blessed also. Amen. So we're going to start out by moving over to the reveal of this beautiful tablescape. So now we're starting out over here with this beautiful bouquet that I took apart. This was a thrifted item, and then I went ahead and repainted all of those pieces and then placed them back on the bouquet, and here they are on display. So I did decide to go with formal colors, and this is what that's looking like right now. So we're going to take a look closer at the tablescape, and then I'm going to go ahead and describe to you what I use. So now on this journey here of YouTube and not knowing exactly which way I was going, did not even realize what I was in for. But I'll say this, I have met so many beautiful people and so many reasons to keep on going and so many things that I've learned that I just thank you all, because I grabbed a little bit of everything from everybody and I'm still learning, I'm taking off, and I just want to thank you all. Okay, so I've already started taking this, the place setting apart. So that white plate I got at the Dollar Tree along with that silver charger. And the black plate that goes on top of here, that I also got at the Dollar Tree. So this is a very budget-friendly tablescape, and it is gorgeous. Also the coasters, the mirror coasters I got from there, and this napkin that I decorated with that ribbon. Isn't that absolutely adorable? All of it Dollar Tree items, guys. Now, what I will say is the white napkin that I started out with is a cloth napkin, and I thrifted that item. So that's the only item that I could see right now that's thrifted, along with the water glass. Now, that wine glass the Dollar Tree carried a little while back, cannot find those anymore. But the water glass was a thrifted item. Now, I did remember to place some candy, a little bit of sweet on the table. And guess who I learned that from? So beautiful scenery, nice and cozy, beautiful lights, candles. I mean, this dining experience is just wonderful, guys. I hope you like it. Okay, so now we're gonna move on over to some tea and a little bit of dessert. Okay, guys, so I got the tea all set up. It's time to bring the cupcakes. Aren't they delicious? They look so yummy. I just want to take a moment and thank Lady Allie for helping me, Glam Elegant Living, for helping me throughout this whole journey of getting this collab started. But I also want to thank each and every one of you who jumped right in without hesitation to do a video and help me to celebrate my milestone, but also yours. I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. You have no idea how much that touched me, and you guys are just so awesome. I love you guys. So now let's take a look at the table a little bit closer. So guys, I am going to insert my sub count right here. Okay, so I would just want to jump on here just to thank you from the bottom of my heart for helping me celebrate my special day, but also celebrating your special day. So we kind of have to celebrate each other because it just helps us to keep on going, and supporting each other is pretty awesome. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day. I'll see you in the next one.